I talked about break-even tool, break-even approach in other lesson. In short, when you open a trade, like in that example, I went long and my stop loss is over here. When my trade is profitable, I move my stop loss to the entry point. So I simply move my stop loss to the entry point, and now my trade is protected. That means that even if there will be a strong sell-off, like there was later, I would be stopped out with zero profit. You can do that. You can change your stop loss to the entry point manually, or you can use some tools, and I highly recommend to use tools. For example, in Metatrader, you may use Breakeven tool. The name of the tool is Breakeven Expert, and the only option that you have to specify, the only value that you have to specify is the distance. So if I want to have my stop loss moved to the entry point after 20 pips, I specify 200, because 200 in that Metatrader is 20 pips, and that's it. In the corner I have smiley face, auto trading on, and when I open a trade and it will be profitable with 20 pips of profit, then my stop loss would be moved to the entry point. So very simple tool that you can use in Metatrader. If you are using other trading platform, search for Breakeven Expert tool, name of your platform, or maybe Breakeven Expert, or simply Breakeven tool, something like that. You should find some good results when you search for Breakeven tool and name of your platform. And this is a pretty simple tool. As you saw in that example, it simply moves your stop loss based on specific value, and that's it. So there are many free custom experts, custom tools that do exactly that one thing. And I prefer to use Breakeven tool in my trading. As I said in previous lesson about Breakeven, if you have few trades running at the same time, if you are not in the front of your computer, it is best to change it automatically after specific distance, but don't be too aggressive. Some traders like to set break-even like 5 pips or something, but for me that's too short. You should try something wider, like 10 pips, 20 pips, maybe 30 pips if you are swing trading. For me, these distances like 20-30 pips work best.